Okay, we are doing the Places mobile app, and we're using the free version of Creator. And we're done adding the components, and we've exported the app to our website. And so we're going to start with step 4 here, where we actually go into the pages that we created in Creator, and we're going to go in and add the Angular directives and so on that we were unable to do in Creator because we had the free version. So let's get started. I'm going to go to find my website. Let's see, websites, and I'm going to go back to Richard H. And I'm going to log in. And here we are. Go to my file manager. And the first thing I'm going to do is in cPanel File Manager, click to locate and edit the file. Find this file, places.html inside of templates inside of places. And then we're going to use the code editor because it has line numbers. And we're going to edit, we're going to add these attributes to these tags here is how you say it. So let's find the first one. Let's go into public HTML. Let's go into places. And let's go into templates. And here's places.html. Click code editor, edit. And here we are. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find this around line 14, the where am I button. Find the where am I button and make it and add this to it. So I'm going to copy this, ng click read geolocation. I'm going to copy that, including the quotes, and go over here, and I'm going to find about line 14. Oops, here it is. Here's the where am I button. I can see how that looks kind of funny. So let me switch over to text editor up here. That's this button, where am I? And any place inside the button, I just need to add my code. So I'm just going to add it right here. I'll put a space and I'll just add it at the end. Right click, paste. And so there it is, ng click. Very good. What's next? Find the input tag enter street address around line 21 and add both of these. So I'm going to copy this, including the quotes, go back here, and let's see. I'm going to switch back to code editor about line 21. Here it is, enter street address. I'm going to click here and go space, and I'm going to do a right click and paste as plain text, and I'm going to switch back to text editor. I'm going to make this say address. Okay, and what's next? Oh, I got to add this ng blur, including the quotes. And that's in the same one, so it's right after I'll put it right after the ng model space paste. Okay, let me just save this for now. Okay, what's next? Let's see. We're going to find the select, which is the drop down, and we're going to add all three of these. So let me grab the first one. Where's the drop down? That would be select. Here it is. Select space right click. That's that one, and let's get the next one. Copy, and that would be again right here, paste, and let's go back and get the third one, copy, and paste. All right, that takes care of the select. And next we're going to find the avatar list ion-list around line 38, and we're going to add this ng repeat, copy, and so that would be around line 38 right here. And let me switch back to the text editor right here, space, paste, and next we go to the avatar list item, and we're going to find this character string inside here, and right in between the S and the last quote, we're going to paste in this yellow part. So I'm going to copy that and go back here, and I'm going to find it's right here, and I'm going to click just before the quote. I'm going to right click and do paste, and that gets pasted in. I made a mistake. This top one should be ion list. So let me go back here and take this ng repeat out, cut, and it should be up here is where it goes. So I'm going to paste it here, and that's where it should go. Ion list. Ion, oops. Yes, ion list. Okay, let's save our changes because I'm done editing the places page. Save changes. Okay, let's close this. And now we're going to do place details. So I'm going to go back to my file manager and click on details, and I'm going to open it up in code editor. And the first thing is find the paragraph rating around line 12, and I'm going to add this ng hide. This is if there is no rating. We want to hide that around line 12. That's this one, I guess. This paragraph right there. Space, and let me right click, paste. There we go. And next I'm going to find the div class row, copy, and this is around line 16, containing the rating number and icons. Around line 16, the row, here it is, this one. So space, paste. Okay. And next I'm going to find the div class column 50 that contains the price level. That's around line 29. Here we go, right here. Call 50, this one. Space, paste. And next I'm going to find the call 66 around line 39 for the phone. And this is where I'm just going to add some styling. It's not an Angular directive, but you'll see that we can use Angular directive to be able to just add other attributes. So that is down here. Let me, it's around line 39. So let me go here and click here. And that would be around 39. It looks like it's phone number. I wonder why it's way down here. Anyway, call 66, the phone number, below the row, around line 39. Okay. So let's paste it there. I better add a space there. Back to text editor. That's for the phone number. Phone button. Okay, and then here I need to add a hide. It's around line 51. This maybe should have been 49. The hide around 51. It's the button that I'm hiding. Space. Right here, right click, paste. So it is actually the button itself. It's the button itself, yes. Okay, so next, I'm going to find around line 60, I'm going to find a paragraph that's got hours. Around line 60. Here it is. Space. Paste. Text editor. Hours here. Put a space there. Okay. Let's see, there's a mistake here. This hide phone button block, this ng hide phone should not hide the more button, but it should hide the phone button. So it should be right here. Do space, paste here. Okay. So let me save this. And what's next? I have added this one. I've added hide hours. Next I gotta hide open. Copy. That's 60 and 67. So if I go back here, I see around line 60 would be the hide hours. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. And if I go to line 60, around line 60, it's the hide hours. Here it is. So that's been added in. Hide hours. And so now I'm going to 67 to add hide open. 67, that would be this one. Click, space, paste. Text editor. That's right here. I just added that. And what's next? I got to do the hide closed. Copy. Here, right below hide open, this is the closed, and so it's this paragraph here. Click, space, paste. Okay, that's for closed. And then a little bit farther down in the div, we're going to add a padding left. This is the HTML that holds the hours, if there are any. And so that's this. So space paste. This puts a little bit of space on the left, a little bit, and then here we're going to hide the hours if none was returned. And right. Okay, and we can save these changes. And looks like we're done. So thanks for watching.